One thing we have to do as reporters to come up with many story ideas all the time is just be hyper aware. We're hyper aware online, we're hyper aware on our stories, we're hyper aware when we're out in public. And so, one thing I want you to start practicing if you want to be good at public relations is just being aware. The homework assignment I will give you this week is to really just anywhere. Stories can come from anywhere. If you're going to the grocery store, you're driving to work, if you're in the elevator. One thing I recognized driving to work every day a few years ago was the fact that all of the streets in my neighborhood were so badly taken care of. There were no sidewalks. And so I started asking around, and it became a story. There hadn't been good construction in the area for years. Money was being allocated elsewhere. And so that became a story. And I can also find stories, like I said, walking into the courthouse. There may be a flyer up about something or some sort of protest or an event, or maybe something's happening that week. Just little things like that that catch your eye can become story ideas. And that's what reporters do. We find stories that other people aren't covering and cover them so they get attention. And you can do the exact same thing. There's no science to this. It's just knowing what interests you and does it impact other people and how can you join the conversation. And so just be hyper aware, start noticing things out in public, just pretty much anywhere. Start noting them down and how you can weigh in on the conversation.